to the bottom because I've been a bit upset and I've got some.
Has everyone colour going to suit my skin because I'm like
There's barely anything left, but try something else.
Is that Maybelline?
Yeah.
It's shite, I don't.
No, because that's what I've been using. So probably do.
Right.
Not more time.
Okay, I've got it.
Not a tune or something.
What this? Oh, fuck me.
Light it first, or you mean?
Crazy. Go and put it up there. And see what happens.
Why are you laughing?
Took you about 50 attempts!
Get alcoholic.
It wasn't going to happen. Okay, let me see it.
Right, let's go.
Okay, wait. Let me pause it.